Welcome back. Over the years I have acquired a lot of small bits like that, the screwdriver bits, those Allen, Phillips flatheads, those are like 8mm for 8mm nut or something, the drill bits that make holes. And since I have, this isn't even half of the one that I have some more that I don't even know, I have a lot of them. So I wanted to have something that we can put it on the wall and we can continue what we did with the drill bits. So of course I went to Fusion Testing and I came with an idea of screwdriver bits holders, we're gonna call them like that, which I made 2 designs, but you will get 4 files and I will explain why. They all should fit you in normal standard, the drill bit, screwdriver bit, sorry. They should fit the longer one like this one too, they should fit something like that. They should all fit. So this is it. So in the files you're gonna have 4 different files. You can do it how I did it, or you can do it how in the files. So one set of files will have the holes, as you can see, 2. You're gonna have holes to the whole piece. The other file, I haven't printed it because I don't need it, will have one edge black. So one will be no holes and the other one will have holes, just in case you have something like that. So it will not go too all the way like this. You understand? Let me see. So they will not go all 2 and they will fall down. But if you want to save on the material, you can do what I did. This is by mistake, but it works fine. So basically I 3D printed them before I realized that I have a hole that goes all the way to. So basically there's nothing stopping them to go into. So I came with this, so basically I just left them like that. So when I sliced them in my slicer, before I 3D printed them, of course I always add support, and they printed like that. As you can see, this is how they came out from the build plate. And after I realized already that the holes, this hole fell through, I had an idea that, okay, so instead of wasting material and printing this one with one side solid and the other one with the holes, why not just to keep the supports? You see how the supports are? And this should be strong enough to hold the bits going, so the bits will not go through, as like that. So basically they will hold the bits, not go through. So you can do it as I did it, like that, to save a little bit material. It will not save you much, maybe 5-10 grams. To do it like that, just leave the support on one side and the other side remove it. Or use the other file that has the one side all solid. As the same with this one. Of course, this one is for the bits that are a little bit bigger, that have a little bit bigger heads, like this one, or like this one. Wait, let me see. Like this one that has a bigger head, like that. So there's more space between them, but they have the same dimensions here and here, so you can use it even here. As you can see, just space them a little bit farther away from each other, so they will not hit, they will not interfere with each other. The same with this one, as like that. You can see. So the way to attach this specific one, you can see you have 2 holes, but the screw will come from the inside, just to save a little material. And the other one is just a classic one that you just put it on the wall and you clip it down. So let me install it, and we're gonna put all those little bits, this mess, to get rid of it. We'll put it on the wall so we can continue our little project, those wall hangers. So listen to it. Okay, so I installed them. Are they straight? For sure not. As long as it looks good to the eye, it's fine. I moved this one a little bit to the right just to have a little more space. And like I said, they're very solid, all of them. This one maybe I need to put the screws a little bit more in, but it's fine as this is. So let's put all the drill bits in. I don't like this one, it's a little bit crooked, but it's fine. Let's put all the drill bits in. Okay, so I'm done basically with all of them. As you can see, I have more to fill up. I just need to find where all of them are, and I think I'm gonna put in a little bit more just because I have some drill bits that they need that kind of shelf, and I don't have. And yeah, basically this is it. Like I said, this will come with 4 different files. It will be one like that you have the hole to, the other one will be without holes, and the same thing with this one. But if you want, you can do it as I did it with the, just leave the supports in, that's up to you. Just use this normal 7mm head screw with a 4mm shaft, nothing special. And that's it. Again, this will be free to download, the links are down in the description. You can do it however you want with whatever settings, there's nothing special to it. I hope you like it, subscribe, like and share, and I hope I will see you in the next one.